Now we are going to discuss fourth chapter, quadratic equations. We know polynomials. We studied classification of polynomials in terms of number of terms and also in terms of degree of polynomials. For example, I will share you a few polynomials. First 1x plus 4, 2x square plus 3x plus 2, x cube minus 2x square plus 5. Look at these three polynomials. This what type of polynomial? In terms of number of terms, it is a binomial, am I right? Because there is two terms. And in terms of degree, what type of polynomial is this? What is the degree of this polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is the greatest power of the variable involved in that polynomial. So here variable is x, the greatest power is 1, so degree is 1, so this is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Okay, then what about the next one? Second one. Here variable is x and the greatest power of the variable is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2 and this is a quadratic polynomial. What about the third one? Third one degree of the third polynomial is 3. So this is cubic polynomial. This all we have discussed already. If this quadratic polynomial, for example 2x square plus 3x plus 2, if you equate with anything, if you equate with 0 or any number, so it is called now quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay, now this is quadratic equation. There are many situations in real life we come up with quadratic polynomials, quadratic equation. Okay, for instance, we just discuss an example. Suppose a school decided to make a rectangular school ground. Okay, and they want that school ground to have area of 3 square meters, 300 meters square, 300 square meters, and they want that length and breadth of that school ground, length should be twice, one more than twice the breadth, 1 meter more than twice the breadth, 1 meter more than twice the breadth. Okay, then how we can set up, and what should be the length and breadth of this ground? How we can set up an equation from this? Okay, so if this is the situation, look at here. Here, if we consider x is the breadth of this playground, given that breadth of this ground should be 1 meter more than twice the breadth, so the length is 2x plus 1, and area should be 300 square meter. So what is the area of a rectangle? length into breadth. Am I right? This length into breadth should be 300 meter square. Here length is 2x plus 1 and into breadth is x is equal to 300 meter square. Okay, after simplifying this, what we will get? X we have to multiply into the bracket. We have to distribute x into the bracket. 2x into x, 2x square plus x into 1x is equal to 300 now. Okay, so we got 2x square plus x equal to 300. So this now is a quadratic equation. Yes, if you rearrange this, 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We set up a quadratic equation from a given situation. Okay, now we are going to discuss the standard form of a quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equations. Okay, what is a standard form? So look at this one. We can make a standard form this itself. We can say ax square plus, if x is the variable, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Okay, here we can say that a should not be 0. If a is 0, what will happen? Then x square term will be cancelled. Then it will become, yes, a linear polynomial. Now this is an standard form of quadratic equation, and here a, b, c should be real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. Okay, this is the standard form of quadratic equation.